Sometimes it's just easier to shoot with this lens. Hi, love. How are you? Hello, nutty girl. You're a nutty girl. That's okay. And then there's you. Who are you? Let's get some names. You are 372. Yeah. 372 is always here in front of me. You should just know that, right? And the girl, 839, and the other one, 375, her twin. And then 022. Here you are. So pretty. Okay. Yes, okay. And then we get some nappers over here. Nappers? Who are you? Does anyone want to confess? That's 285 right there. Look at the big guy. Hi, big buddy. Are you the boy? I think you are. Are you the boy? Oh, look. And then who are you? You're 024. And who are you? Oh, hi. Can I come at you? No, I can't. Oh. 332, right there. And who are you? No. 024. Who are you? 372. Okay. And you? I don't know your number. 117. Chilling by the fame. Hi. And what do we got over here? Where's my girl? There she is. Look at those eyes. Look at that girl. Hi. Okay, I think we got everybody. Oh, you. 529. That's a sensitive boy. He'll be a good snuggler, though. We've already seen that. So he'll be a very good, loyal dog for a quiet household, I think. Or he might just outgrow it, huh? With a few more snuggles. Look at you. You're just a monster. You're a monster. I'm not getting anything. 285. Why? She said, me. Oh, look at that face. That's that cute little face. There. Well, hello. This is the fun puppy. He's a fun guy. Who's over here? Who's this? You being antisocial. Come here. Daddy, give you a hug. Hi. Okay, guys, I'm getting them ready for you. So the bug puppies will be leaving anytime after the 10th. And the others can go the next weekend. Look at those faces, so nice. Hello, 117 over there, the fan. Oh, the shy boy. Come here, shy buddy. Oh, there's a good boy. Oh, I got the other guy. I got this guy. Oh, there we go. He knows. Alright. So let me know when you want to come. Get you set up. I think I already know most people's schedule. I'm not sure I'm real clear on 117 or 117 or this one. 022, but schedule. Alright. That's all for today.